Delta tables are a type of Apache Spark table that's designed to make it easier to manage large datasets that change over time. Think of them as a way to keep track of changes to your data, kind of like different versions of a document. This makes it simple to see what's been added, removed, or updated. With Delta tables, you can make changes in a way that's safe and reliable. You can add new data, fix mistakes, or even recover from accidental deletions. And because they're integrated with Spark, you can use powerful tools to analyze and process your data. You could be referring to two things here. One is a data architecture pattern, and the other is a decorative element in buildings. Which one were you interested in? Got it. So the Medallion architecture is a way to organize data in what's called a lakehouse. It breaks the data down into 3 different layers: bronze, silver, and gold. Think of bronze as the raw, unprocessed data you first collect. Silver is where you clean things up and make it consistent. And finally, gold is where you have the finished product, ready for analysis. Well, it's a step-by-step process. First, you bring in your raw data and store it in the bronze layer. Then you start defining the silver layer. This is where you'll create tables and views that clean up the data and make it consistent. It's like transforming the raw ingredients into something more usable. Finally, you create the gold layer, which is all about the end product. Here, you focus on the specific business questions you want to answer. You create tables and views that are optimized for fast analysis and reporting. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can use a programming language like Python or Scala to write code that processes the raw data and creates the tables and views. This gives you a lot of flexibility, but it can also be more complex. A potentially easier way is to use a tool like Apache Spark SQL. It lets you use SQL-like commands to work with the data directly in the bronze layer and create the silver and gold layers.